I'm in Vancouver's core in the Mount Pleasant neighborhood, home to eclectic shops, Michelin-star restaurants, and great coffee. We have a tremendous, beautiful new listing at 371 East 16th Avenue. I'm Elliot Chun at the Partners. Let's go for a walk.
Through all the twists and turns where we belong. And there's no end to where we'll go. Right here's the start. You're the reason.
We're just minutes from Main Street by foot, and you're gonna love how centrally located you are here in Mount Pleasant. Here we've got 1,500 square feet on the inside across 2 levels, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, good quality build, and you've also got 1 car parking out back with EV charging.
Never close